guys, welcome back to my channel. Guys, I am at work now, so I just had my breakfast. Okay, so I'm home now. We actually closed up the clinic early because we have an annual dinner today. And so yeah, I did my makeup. It's pretty simple makeup. I didn't want to go overboard, and I actually have to go now because I'm kind of late. Okay, I'm freaking excited, guys, because there is crabs and oysters and prawns, and there's so much food, guys. And I think there's like charcuterie bar there, and then the rest are all like Asian food over there, like local Asian food. And let me show you guys the dessert. It's freaking legit. So I'm here at Jaya and need to get some grocery shopping done. I'm just opening my Pokemon Go so I can get some kilometers in and also spend some Pokestops. So yeah, okay, let's go. is my day off and I ordered pizza. So I'm going down to collect it now. So tired. We're also going to need something to drink. Not sure. Maybe almond milk. Ta-da! Looks so good. This is the black truffle one, and we also got 4 cheese. But before I eat it, I think I'm gonna pop it into the oven for a little bit. Introducing my basil plant. He's growing pretty well. We don't eat the leaves though. We used to like harvest them and then make basil pesto or something like that. But now we just kind of let it grow and then we kind of trim it a little bit. So yeah, he's growing so well. Yeah, especially from this angle, you can see he's growing really, really well. Yeah.